Alright, welcome back. Let's take a look at our footage over here. UFO sightings, what is it? Take a look at this footage over here. This UFO is moving fast. You can see a couple of birds flying by. They don't seem to be affected by this object. This footage is going to come to us from Germany. This is where the source sent it from. We did receive this footage on the 20th, March 20th, 2017, but we are unable to verify when this footage was taken exactly. So we do not have an exact date for you, but this footage does come to us from Germany. And you know, look, this is got some things going on over here. I mean, the main thing is that there's these birds that fly by. There goes one, and they don't seem to be affected. So which means that it might not be a threat. Look at that. Now we're gonna zoom in for you more, but basically this is, the source was just outside, and he happened to spot this object, and then he filmed it. I mean, there's not much footage to it. This thing is moving pretty fast, and it's just, here's a close-up. Look at that. It looks like it could be like a black metallic, and look at that. I mean, and then there's like no set shape to it whatsoever. I mean, there goes the bird. You'd think it might be like a meteor or something, but this thing is moving. I mean, this thing's very low to the ground. There doesn't seem to be, any atmospheric interference or anything. It's just, here's a close-up of it. Look at that. This is definitely great footage over here, guys. It was just moving away from the source on an angle, as you can tell from the footage. Definitely, UFO sightings, what is it? I mean, good stuff over here. But definitely, international sighting, Germany. We received this footage March 21st. Is it? Or the 20th? And, not sure when it was filmed exactly. But there's footage, guys. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned. We're just getting started with this one. Click subscribe, click the bell notification, click send me all notifications for this channel, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again. Alright, here we go. UFO sightings archive footage. Check this footage out. Look at this. This is obviously archive footage, guys, but look at this. This is possibly a TR-3B, that triangular shaped object. Very interesting footage over here, guys. You can see a jet in the background. Don't think it has any interaction with this UFO. Look at that. There's 3 lights on this UFO. None of them are blinking. I mean, this is great footage over here. There is at least some background. But the only problem is the jet or the plane in the back it's too it's too far away to really judge the size of this UFO. This object. It's not possible, and there's no other objects around. But we don't have too much information on this UFO. We're bringing this back. Here's a close-up. Definitely looks like it could be a TR-3B. We're bringing our archive footage back to ask you guys, if you guys have any information, know anybody, or have seen like these UFOs that have been archived, and maybe we can shed some light on the footage. But this definitely is gonna have to say, classic TR-3B shape here. It looks looks like a triangle. I shouldn't say definitely, but it looks like a triangle. And the center, according to what the source was saying, this is zoomed in here, and obviously it's gonna get pixelated because we were manually zooming in for you. But the source is saying that he thought, in the notes at least that we have, that it looks like it's the center was metal, and then obviously the 3 lights are just white lights that we can tell. And then look at the authenticity of this is pretty good, because the grain pattern seems to match the rest of it. So if you look at the jet over there too. So this one we're definitely gonna have to say proof positive, guys. And you know, if you guys have any information on this, please leave it down in the comments below. If you've seen this UFO, hit that thumbs up button. You know, if you like the content, you like seeing these UFOs every day, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, check this out. UFO Sightings archive footage. Take a look at this. This is definitely one of the stranger sightings that we have on file. You know, I was going back and looking at some of the footage that we've reported on, and this thing actually looks like it's moving. I mean, this could be a possible alien or organic ship. Look at that. It looks like there's, you know, first off, it looks kind of like a squid. But if you look, I mean, this is in the sky. According to what the notes say, that this particular incident was in Mexico. Now, this is archive footage, so there's no way we can verify it. There's no metadata or anything on it. We're not even sure how old the footage is. Just the notes that were sent in with us with this footage. And look at it. It looks like it's morphing. It definitely looks like it. It almost looks like a hand right there. Yeah, it's zoomed in more for you over here, but definitely, you know, it does have that shape like a squid, but obviously it can't be a squid because this is in the air, not in the water. And now it's getting really, you know, there's like a lot of noise and distortion because this is zoomed in, and the original footage that we received too was not too clear. It was just, you know, there's no point of reference on it. It's just in the sky, and it's supposedly in Mexico. So who knows if this is a test? Is it a balloon? I don't know. I don't think it could be because it's changing shape. And then when we try to zoom in as much as possible for you, it doesn't look like a good picture. You know, it's just too distorted, unfortunately. But this is definitely, you know, one of those things that's out there, like, what is this? You know, what is it? That's the question that has to be asked when you look at something like this. What is going on? I mean, is it an organic thing? Is it a balloon? I mean, if it's a balloon, then, I mean, what is it doing? It's changing shape, and, you know, what's on the bottom over there? It looks like tentacles or something. And then, you know, it's not a squid because it's up in the air. So there's the footage, guys. Hit that thumbs up button if you like these videos, you like this content. You know, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Introducing premium silk sleep masks from thefinestlife.com. Fashion meets sleep. Why? Because you deserve the finest in life. Get yours now at thefinestlife.com and amazon.com. Alright, welcome back. Let's take a look at our footage over here. UFO Sightings Space Planet. And this is what the source is saying. He thinks that this is a huge object. Well, he says it is. Very interesting here, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Here's a close-up. That definitely looks like it could be a planet. The only question is, how far away is it? We don't really have a frame of reference. But look at this. This particular footage comes to us from Ohio. This is brand new footage. We received it September 18, 2018. And it looks like there's some kind of force field or something around this object. It's almost like some kind of fog or some kind of... Here's a close-up again. Zoomed in closer. And look at those. They're... That is an interesting looking UFO for sure. It's kind of hard to tell though exactly how big this object is given the frame of reference. I mean, how far away is it? We can see the trees there, but according to the source, he said this object was huge from what he left on the voicemail. I'm gonna try to get him to come on and see if he'll interview And when he does, we'll definitely do an update to this video. But here's a close-up look at that. Does look kind of like a building, but I mean, obviously there's multiple ends on this thing. Very interesting to say the least. Once again, brand new footage from Ohio, September 18, 2018. And UFO sightings space planet according to the source. And there's the footage, ladies and gentlemen. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Click subscribe, click the bell notification, click send me all notifications for this channel, and you'll never miss a UFO sighting again.